Welcome to Vintage Made New. This is an old trunk. This is the wadding on top. I took the wadding off. I bought a second-hand scarf for £1. Measured it up to make sure it would fit. I got my wadding out from my stash. I took out my trim. I decided to use the blue trim to match. Got my glue gun and tools out. Then I started gluing along the top edge. I attached my new wadding. Then I trimmed along the bottom edge. This is what it looked like attached. This is the back seam which I glued. Then I started adding pieces of the silk scarf all the way round. I cut the bottom edge to trim the fabric off. I cut the back seam and glued it. I glued underneath. This is what the bottom looked like after gluing. Then I got my braid out. I started gluing the braid along the top edge. This is what it looked like in place. I put the old wadding back. Put some more Drake-on wadding on top from my stash. Cut it to shape. With the leftover bit of scarf, I measured up some fabric for the lid, dug out some more tools, and secured it in place. Then I added the trim to the top edge around the lid, and this is what it looks like. Turn the trunk upside down. I added some wood glue to secure the legs in place because they were a bit wobbly. Dug out some leftover paint and painted the legs. I painted the top edge on the inside because it needed doing to freshen it up. This is the top of the lid. Doesn't it look pretty? And this is the trunk completed. This is Vintage Made New.